Hello guys, good day to you all. In today's program we are going to make white chocolate without cocoa butter. So this chocolate, I hope you see it. This is what we are going to do today. White chocolate, or you can call it cream chocolate, anyone. It's up to you. But what's important is chocolate. Try as much as you can to subscribe to this channel. At the same time, share our videos. Like all our videos as well. You can see other recipes over there. So you must see the one that will interest you the most. So let's get into the kitchen. Hello everyone. Here is the ingredients that we need for making our white chocolate without cocoa butter. Instead of us using cocoa butter, we have to use our butter. Instead of using cocoa butter, we have to use our normal butter. So definitely, these are the ingredients that we need for making this white chocolate. And which are, here is our icing sugar. Here is our pinch of salt. Here is also our powdered milk. And here is our butter. And here is our vanilla that we are going to use, vanilla extract. So the measurement of this recipe, white chocolate, I'm going to leave the link below the description. So you are going to see the measurements, the ingredients on the description section. So these are the things we need. And also we need our mold for making it. You can use this mold. You can use chocolate mold. Anyone is good. So these are the mold we are going to use for making our white chocolate. So let's get started. So right now we have our boiling water, our plate on top of it. We are going to add in this butter so that it will begin to melt. You can see our butter is melting. So right now we have to pour in our icing sugar. So right now we're also going to pour in our powdered milk. Now we are also going to add our 1 teaspoon of our vanilla. And also pinch of salt, just little pinch of salt. So now we need to off the heat and continue stirring. So next thing we are going to do is to transfer it into our mold. So right now, like we have sprayed some oil on our mold. If you like, you do it, but I prefer doing it so that it will be easy to come out. So right now we are going to be adding our, don't worry about the side, we will arrange that later. So we need to do it like this. There's some of them here. If there is any excess, we'll remove them. So don't worry about that. So now what we need to do is to pop this into our freezer for about 30 minutes. Hello guys, as you can see, our chocolate is ready. So right now we need to transfer it into our plate. We need to bring them out. You can see how yummy our chocolate is. Our milk chocolate. You can call it is white chocolate anyway. So guys, you can see we are done with our chocolates, and I hope you like it. Let's test it and see how. You can see the chocolate. I don't know. Yes, you can see that. So this is what we did, and I hope you enjoy the recipe. Let's test it and see how it tastes. Wow. This is great. You need to try it. Try it at home. If you're here to subscribe to our channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and also click the bell beside it. And you can as well share to your family and friends. Or don't you have? I know every one of us have. Share to your family and friends, your loved one, or whoever you may call them, or whoever they are to you. Share to them. They might find this recipe interesting. So keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing. Until we see you on our next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.